In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own face in Leonardo AI. The goal here is to help you integrate your own likeness into a creative project using this innovative tool, and we'll walk through the process smoothly so by the end, you'll be equipped to do it all on your own. First and foremost, starting with a high-quality, clear photo of yourself is crucial. The photo should be well lit with minimal shadows, ensuring your face is fully visible. This will be the foundation of your project, so pick an image where you feel confident about your appearance. A clean, unblurred photo will ensure better results as we proceed. Next, you'll want to have Leonardo AI open and head to the Create section, then select the Image Generation option. This area is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Familiarizing yourself with this section will help make the process smoother. Once you're in image generation, keep an eye out for categories like image reference, face reference, or image prompt. These are your anchors. They guide how Leonardo AI will interpret and utilize your uploaded image. Understanding these options will help you decide the best way to approach incorporating your face. Now, it's time to upload your photo. Make sure it's the clear photo of your face you've prepared earlier. This step is straightforward but pivotal. As you upload, ensure the system accepts it and check if it displays correctly. This will be the basis for any creative transformations or integrations you want to apply. After successfully uploading your photo, you'll need to consider how you want to use your face within the project. Leonardo AI offers different options, such as using it as a central feature, blending it into a larger scene, or even stylistic art transformation. Take a moment to decide which application best suits your creative vision. With your choices made, you'll proceed to adjust important settings. This is where you'll fine-tune various parameters related to the image. These might range from altering the level of detail preserved in the transformation, adjusting color schemes, or even the stylistic approach taken by the AI. Carefully adapting these settings can significantly influence the outcome, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit to get things just right. Finally, with all your settings in place, it's time for the exciting part. Click Generate. This action will put Leonardo AI to work, creating an image that incorporates your face based on the input and settings you've provided. Once generated, take a moment to review the results. This is your moment of creation coming to life through AI, and there you have it. From selecting the right photo to generating a unique image with your likeness. With this guide, I hope you feel more confident in using your own face in Leonardo AI, opening doors to creative endeavors and exciting new projects. Be sure to explore further options and enjoy the creative process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!